Welcome everyone to my new educational material for Lucid Trading Platform, and today we're going to talk about a strategy for $27,000 a month from Lucid Flex accounts. For those of you that have questions, let me know in the comments area, but you can also join our community for free on Discord, a place for traders, a place where we talk about prop firms, help each other, and of course keep in mind we do daily giveaways of Lucid accounts on our live stream from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. You can join us on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Now, today we're going to integrate in the strategy just the Lucid Flex accounts, the $50,000 and the $150,000. These are the most purchased models. And by the way, for the maximum discount on Lucid, every single time coupon code is Scramble. The link is in the description area. This is attached to the maximum discount available. Thank you so much, guys. Now, keeping things together and pretty much straight to the point, we're going to start with a 50K account model and present you the details here. Obviously, the 50K is not the one capable for 27 grand a month that easily, but still, it has some nice numbers on board. The price at the moment is $78. Evaluation target for this account is at 6% with a max loss at 4%. That's how it's structured. 50% consistency on the evaluation stage. No consistency on the funded stage, which is why a lot of people prefer the Lucid Flex. If you have a great trade, you leave it, makes a lot more and covers your nice profits. Max active funded is basically 5, so you can have 5 accounts. You can copy trade all the 5 in terms of the funded. You can have unlimited evaluations. You can have, for example, 10 evaluations that you copy trade, and then you just activate 5 for the funded stage and keep the other evaluations on pause if you think you got a great deal. However, 5 evaluations will cost you $390. So this is the kind of the max cost that you can have, $390. The max payout is $2,000, and this is happening once you're funded and you get to a certain level, of course. Then there is a profit split of 90 to 10, so you get basically 90% of that, which is $1,800. Now, if we put that on 5 accounts, which is pretty much the way a lot of the people go by, that's $9,000 in a single cycle. The max payout per max cost ratio is 23 times. Right, so $78 to 1,800 or $390 to the 9,000. It's 23 times. That's a huge one, guys. Keeping in mind, you are paying a value and you're able to cash out 23 times more. It is a very good ratio out there. If there is no payout target on funded, how does it work? Well, if there is no payout target on funded, it works by having a minimum 5 days of $150 and you're ready to go for the payout. That's what you need basically in terms of the company. Now, I don't think you want to go for the payout. Most of the people would not like to go for the payout after making $150 for 5 days. It's not that much. Certainly, it's just about $750 and the payout wouldn't be that big. However, for the max payout, you have to earn $4,000. We did the math because the payout system is simple. You can always cash out 50% of your balance. Right, so in order for your $2,000 to be 50%, you need to have $4,000. That's basically the way it works in terms of their payouts. Lucid Flex payout, 50% of your balance. 50%. That's the way it works. Up to a specific limit. The limit is $2,000 for the 50K. 50% of profit up to the $2,000. $2,000 basically to be the value, which means it's $4,000 on the balance. Strategy number 1, I've called it aggressive, and I wanted to point towards an aggressive way. Now, of course, we're going to talk about some defensive approaches. If you pass the challenge in 3 days, which means to make $1,000 a day, and you got that 3 grand right there, you're fine with a consistency if you're doing that. You're also fine with a target, and you can get funded and push for $800 per day for 5 days, basically, in the funded stage. Right, so you become funded and then push for $800 per day for 5 days, targeting the max payout if that's what you want to target, which is something quite attractive, the 2,000 mark. That means you got to do the 4,000. So 4,000 in 5 days means $800 a day. Totally, it requires 8 days for the max payout, 3 days from the challenge, and 5 days from the funded stage. That's 8 days for the maximum payout. On 5 accounts, that would be a $9,000 net payout basically in 8 days, which is slightly more than $1,000 a day. Second cycle would only require 5 days of $2,000 totally, and that's $400 a day. And this is where the big deal stays with a 50K account, guys. At the same time with the other example too. So another 5 days on top of the 8 days we had is basically putting together 13 days. 13 days for $19,000 payouts, right? $19,000 payout. If you do copy trading with 5 accounts, it's just like you would trade a single account. So in 13 days, for an aggressive manner, it is basically $18,000 payout, the possibilities of this 50K model account. If you don't pass your account in 3 days, you know, the most important part basically for this Lucid Flex is to take your time. To take your time with the challenges. And you got to consider the challenges of the Flex like they would be instant funded, which I know most of the people do not do. Mentally, they cannot apply a such environment. So that's why the evaluations are a lot cheaper, because people lose quite a lot of them. Now, I wouldn't say a lot cheaper, actually. I would say just cheaper. And we're going to see the example very soon. So you can actually increase, let's go 5 days, for example. 5 days, you got $3,000 for the challenge. You know, that's basically $600 a day, a little more comfortable. And then another 5 days, you know, that's basically $800 as mentioned in the example. And you get to cash out $9,000 from 10 days of trading. Is not bad when it comes down to paying $390, right? That's a massive difference. Like I said, it's 23 times. 23 times is the difference between the payout and the cost you're having. Second cycle is extremely easy because you would have to get back to that 54 grand. And you're sitting on 52 after you've cashed out your 2,000. Your max loss is going to be $50,000, $100, right? So the max loss is your original balance plus $100 on any account model. And making that money you have cashed out in 5 days would actually mean $400 a day. And that's way more comfortable. So basically, the first, if you go by 3 days and 5 days, 3 days in the challenge, 5 days in the funded stage for the first cycle, I would say the first 8 days are pretty critical. And then afterwards is a lot easier, because $400 is a big difference compared to the 1,000 or 800 or so. Keeping in mind, you have already cashed out a nice $9,000. Second cycle will give you an extra $9,000, so $18,000 from a $390. You know, you see, even if you spend $5 grand on the account, or $8,000 or $10,000 on the account, you get a cycle like this, which actually I would say 2 cycles like this, first payout and second payout. I mean, the second payout is pretty close to the first payout. For the ones that are qualifying the first payout, I would say second payout comes in pretty handy. We do have a great community member that got paid 3 times on 150K instant funded, and that's, you know, he was sitting on 15 grand, so he cashed out a lot going through the nice stages. However, this is the way it looks like basically for the 50K. Now, I would touch some bases for the other 150K, which is most likely pointing for that value you guys saw in the title, 27,000. $220 basically for the account, 6% against 3%. The max loss here is not 4%, it is basically 3%, so there is a little difference. 50% consistency, nothing changes basically. Max active funded, this is a 225 accounts is 1,100. That's how much you can actually spend for a round of 5 maximum at the current prices. Obviously, prices could be a little higher or a little lower, depends on the active campaign. The max payout is $3,000. You get 90% of that. It's 2,700 times 5. The max payout is basically 13,500. So the ratio is a little bit different. It's 12.72 times compared to 23 times. Compared to 23 times, it's actually a big difference, right? 12.72 times compared to 23. If there is no payout target unfunded, how does it work? Well, pretty much simple. In this case scenario, we don't need $150 like we need on the 50K. We actually need $250 for minimum 5 days. However, for the max payout, we actually want to make $6,000 because 50% of the balance can be cashed out. So that's basically the $3,000 right there. Strategy number 1, the same approach, aggressiveness. Starting from scratch here with 5 days, 3 days are not that feasible for most of the people and realistic, not even on the aggressive manner. It's like degenerate probably for 3 days, making $3,000 a day. I'm not saying it's not possible, but I'm saying that it's certainly not feasible for the vast majority and economically could actually hurt. So 5 days is a little different, and that's $1,800 per day. Keep that in mind. Your max loss is $4,500. Get funded and push for $1,200 per day for 5 days, and you're targeting the max payout basically. So you need 5 days in the challenge of $1,800 and 5 days of $1,200 once you get funded. And that's all you need for what? For $13,500, which is an extra $4,000. Yeah, an extra $4,000. Totally, it requires 10 days for the max payout. 5 times 2,700, $13,500. An extra 4,500 than what you have on the 50K. But this is where the big deal comes in, guys. Second cycle would only require you 5 days of 3,000 totally, and that's basically $600 a day, right? That's where the big deal comes. 5 days of $600 per day would actually set you in a very comfortable situation for another $13,500 payout. It's 15 days putting together $27,000 net payouts, and that is quite lovely. So we got a 5 days on the challenge, 5 days on the first cycle of funded, 5 days on the second cycle of funded. Again, the same situation. Challenge and the first cycle is the critical stage. If you pass through this, you're going to get into an environment with the second cycle that is very, very comfortable, guys, and it starts printing you money, and the accounts will be extremely valuable at that point. Even though the flex accounts are actually valuable by themselves, because like I said, you can leave your runners to produce money, and that's what makes the difference. When you got a good winner, not to cut it away because of the consistency, just leave it to produce you way, way more than that. And that is, what we actually need as traders. So, we're working with the minimum days because we're looking at the aggressive approach. And I think the 5 days mark is quite average. I know most of the people don't want to spend time on the evaluation stages. They would like to pass through those evaluations as quickly as possible. But certainly $9,000 is... let's just look at the numbers, guys. You're paying $220, and let's do this comparison as well. $220, you got to do that $9,000. If you trade this 5 days, $1,800 per day on an instant funded, not on the flex, on an instant funding account. If you do that, you are getting the payout stage. You guys know that. 5 days of 1,800, which is something that would actually only pass your challenge if you buy instant funded, which is 532 at the moment you're watching this video. Depends. This is going to go up or down. It depends on the promotional campaign. Compared to 220, right? It's basically $310 extra. $310 extra per account. The same efforts that you do in the Flex 150K would actually bring you the payout of $13,500 on the 150K direct account is something to consider, like a big difference. The max loss is $6,000 there on the instant funded, a little more. But of course, I like to make a comparison video and present you these details. You have also 8 days to trade, not just 5. And you can trade the last 3 days as the difference, right? Because I do the math with the 5 days. You can trade the last 3 days making $10 in each day, and that's it. Something very interesting to consider about. Obviously, you got a consistency here of 20%, but the same $9,000 that you would earn on the evaluation stage for the Flex would actually bring you the payout already, which actually means to spend an extra $310 on each account. 5 accounts is basically 1,500 extra. That's not a small amount. That's not a small amount. Thank you so much, guys. That's been pretty much all about today's presentation. Looking forward to it. Have a lovely time. Scramble coupon code for the highest discounts available. Daily giveaways and Lucid. Join us, guys. Have a lovely time. Our 8 a.m. live trading streaming is there. Our Discord community is here. Make sure to check out the links in the comments area with all the coupon codes, everything. Have a lovely time. Thank you so much, guys. If you got questions, let me know. We'll talk to you soon.